Hi NUFF Loaders. I know it has been a while. The NUFF Loads team have been working tirelessly. They went back to the drawing board in order to have you truckers getting more loads. Alright, so now you'll be alerted on your phone. So if you never download the app, NUFF Loads app, run go download it. Or if you deleted it, run go download it. But I'll give you more information in another video. Alright, today specifically, I'm here to plug you on to NUFF Loads' sister's company, Kool Yuh Brakes. Alright, so Kool Yuh Brakes is a chill spot for truckers. After a hard day, even during the middle of a load, you want to get your showers. Once you download the NUFF Loads app, you will get your free showers. You can sit down in the massaging chair. If you want a shoulder neck massage from the app, NUFF Loads girl, that's provided as well. What are you waiting on? Alright, now this Friday is the grand opening for that. Right in St. Elizabeth, New Orleans. Prizes and surprises. Artists. Purchase your food.
Get a bump, pop a pin. What a pin? Don't want see the black a win. Cash a swing, bed never have a proper spring. Fuck a pool, by a beach, make mama swim. Build a school, and teach the youth some other thing. She fuck one, you know my tongue, you fall like him.